Okay, so Samsung is already teasing their S21 FE edition smartphone. It's um it's really cool. It's really cool. It's gonna come with almost the same specs like the regular S21 lineup. The major selling feature for this phone is the fact that it's coming with an S Pen. They are pushing the S Pen, but I really don't think it's a big feature because the regular S21 is already coming with S Pen support. So I don't know how this is really big news, but one thing I can say for a certain is so one of the very interesting thing here is the fact that you get a much cheaper S21 phone that you can afford. You still get the S Pen that is coming with the previous phone from Samsung. So you still get 5G support, big display. Maybe the build quality will not be as awesome as their S, S21 Ultra and their other S21 lineup, but it will be good enough for most people. The the S20 FE, yeah, I think the S20 FE sold very well. It was a big selling phone last year for Samsung, and Samsung has doubled down on this as well to make this. So they really want to bring people in to buy this, and I don't blame them. It's money for them. It's really money. It's big money for them. But we shall see what eventually happens. Whether it's coming with the Snapdragon triple 88. For now, I think the FE S21 will be a very nice improvement for people that don't have a flagship but want something that it doesn't cost $1,000. They can buy. This is certainly going to be, even I will even presume that it will be below $800 when it goes on sale. So, well, I may be wrong actually, but I feel this is certainly going to be the case. We shall wait and see what ends up happening. Please subscribe to our channel. Do like our content for our social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.